How to create a parametric checkered baffle ceiling. Let's start. Go to File. Let's create a new family. Go to Metric. Select Metric Generic Model Pattern Base. Select, then open. Okay, let's select the grid, change this vertical and horizontal spacing to 1000 millimeter. Okay, then let's change the scale to 1:20. Then select reference point, then select the draw on face, pick at midpoint, pick, okay, pick at midpoint, pick at midpoint, okay, select the two reference point, spline through point, and check reference line. Select the two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select reference point, select draw on face, pick at midpoint. Okay, next let's create a new family. Go to Metric, select Metric Generic Pattern Base. Okay, okay, select the reference line, create a surface, select the surface, then select the surface, Control Tab to select, divide surface. Let's change the U grid number to 5 and the V grid to 1. Okay, next select again the surface, under number U grid number, pick the button. Let's create a parameter. Let's name it slot number. Okay, so we can control the number of slots. Okay, we have 5 slots. Okay, slot number 8. Okay, it's working. Let's go back to 5. Okay, next uncheck shared and check always vertical. Okay, let's create a new family again for the profile. New family, go to Metric. Okay, select the Metric Generic Model Adaptive. Open. Then select reference point, select draw on work plane, pick at center point. Okay, cancel, select reference point, cancel, close, select reference point, make adaptive. Okay, next set work plane, set the vertical plane, select the rectangle, draw a rectangle above the reference point. align AL, select the horizontal reference plane in the line, lock, then dimension, select this line, select the reference plane, select this line, okay, make it equal, select again the two lines, let's create a parameter, select the dimension, let's create a parameter, name it width, okay. Dimension, select the two lines, and the reference plane in the line, select the dimension, name it depth, okay. Next, let's go to family types. Let's change the width to 20 millimeter and the depth to 50 millimeter. Apply, okay, zoom out, okay, zoom. Next, let's save the profile to the desktop, then rectangular profile, save, okay. Oh, we forgot to uncheck the shared and always vertical, so save again, okay. Then let's go to new family, go to metric, okay, open, select the metric generic adaptive, open, select reference point, okay, select draw on work plane, pick at work plane, okay, then select the reference point, make adaptive, okay. Let's go back to the profile, okay, load into project, load into family 5, okay, okay, pick at reference point, okay, zoom, okay. Let's try if the profile is hosted to the reference point, then make a copy, make sure it's multiple and constraint, pick at reference plane, then drag forward, create a copy, select the profile, okay, select the profile, go to edit type, check the width, the depth, select the button, let's create a parameter type depth so we can control the depth of the profile, okay. Also with the width, pick the button, create the parameter, name it width, okay, 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 okay. Let's try the parameter. Let's change the width to the width to 50, apply, okay. The depth, let's change it to 100, okay, good. Next, select the two profile, create a form, okay, select the form, go to material, select the button and create a parameter. Let's make it instance, name it material, okay, okay. Next, uncheck shared and make it all check always vertical. Let's save the family. Let's name it slot. Let's name it a baffle slot. Save. Then load into the project, load it to family tree. Okay, now pick at reference point to the other side of the other reference point. Okay, select the form, the family. Okay, cancel. We need, let's insert again. Select place on face. Okay, pick at 2 reference point. Okay, select. No, we need to make sure the, okay, let's select again, delete, insert, place on, let's try place on work plane. No, place on face. No, cancel. Let's select first this surface, go to surface representation, check nodes. Okay, now let's insert the family, place on face, pick at reference point. Okay, to the other side. Okay, now select the family. Okay, select the repeat. Okay, so we have the slot, baffle slot. Let's change the number of slot to 8. Apply. Good. Let's go back to 5. Okay, next, control tab, select one slot. Okay, let's apply the material. Let's create a parameter, name it material. Okay, next, select, edit the family. We need to change the depth and the width into instance. So okay, make it instance. Okay, save, and yes, load into the project, family tree. Okay, override. Okay, control tab, select the slot. Okay, so we have the width and dimension, so we can map the dimension. Select the button. Let's create a parameter, name it width. Okay, for the depth, select the button, create a parameter, type depth. Okay, now we have control to the both depth and width. Let's change the width to say 30 millimeter. Apply. Okay, good. The depth, let's change it to 200. Okay, let's try the slot number to 8. Good. Go back to 5. Apply. Okay, next. Okay, let's check the adaptive points. Let's save the family. save it. Let's name it Baffle Slot. Baffle Slot. Okay, save. Save. No, we need to enter different name. So save, let's name it Baffle Slot Ceiling. Okay, save. Load into the project, load it to family 2. Okay, now we need to place the family, the Baffle Slot Ceiling. Okay, we need to pick 4 points. Pick here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, next to the other square, pick here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, select the 2 baffle slot. Let's hide the element. Okay, let's insert the baffle slot ceiling again. So pick here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next select again the baffle slot, hide element. Okay, let's insert again. Let's create the component 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's reset temporary hide isolate. Okay, now we have the baffle slot ceiling panel. Go to edit type. Okay, we need to map the depth dimension. Create a parameter. Let's name it slot depth. Okay, for the width, create a parameter. Name it slot width. Okay, okay. Next, for the material, let's create a parameter. Name it material finish. Okay, okay. Next, for the for the slot number, we need to map it. Create a parameter. Name it slot number. Okay, okay, okay. Let's try the parameter. Go to family types. Select the slot depth to 100. Okay, good. Slot width, change it to 25. Okay, good. The slot number, let's change it to 80, to 8. Okay, let's go back to 5. Apply. Okay, next, let's save the component. Let's name it baffle let's name it checkered baffle ceiling. Okay, save. Load into the project. Okay, now let's go to 3D. Let's delete the sample family. Okay, so we can create a new one. Go to level 2. Okay, go to in place mask 1. Okay, select rectangle, draw a rectangle for the surface of the ceiling. Okay, let's look at the 3D. Okay, select the rectangle, create a form, so it create a box. So select only the bottom surface, divide surface. Let's change the U grid number to 5 and the B grid number to 5. Okay, let's change the pattern to checkered baffle ceiling. Okay, now you have the checkered baffle ceiling. Let's look at the perspective. Okay, finish. Okay, go to massing and site, turn off the show mask. Okay, let's try to modify some of the parameters. Let's select the one panel, go to edit type. Let's change the slot number to 8. Apply. Okay, good. Now you have the finished checkered baffle ceiling. Thank you.